Welcome everybody, Eugene Hughes Motorized. Okay, so Viribus contacted me. They asked me if I would be willing to do a review of their electric trike. And I said, sure, bring it on. So today's video is sponsored by Viribus. I'm not going to say great things about the trike because they begged me to. I'm going to say great things about this trike because it's a great trike, okay? It was obvious from unpacking it that there's a lot of attention to detail. In my opinion, they went above and beyond the call of duty in building this here. Everything is heavy duty, well thought out. One of the things I saw was the way the cables were wrapped with a vinyl wire to keep all the cables organized in front of the handlebars. The heavy duty connectors that they used for the motor, for the light to hook up to the battery, everything is just top notch. The electrical connectors are water resistant. They got a headlight and a horn built into it. Those are some extra little touches that I think someone would really enjoy. So you've got a 250 watt motor on it. Nope, you're not going to set any land speed records, but you know what? On a trike, you don't need any more than that, okay? You're going to be hitting about 15 miles an hour, which is about, as fast as you really want to go on a trike. You're not going to be successfully going around sharp corners at a much faster rate. So they've done some thinking for you, and the 250 watt motor is a perfect choice for this trike here. The 36 volt 10 amp hour battery, you're going to get about 20 miles of range on it, okay? Now, making this thing go. Of course, you can pedal it with no motor on it. Just don't turn the battery on. But if you turn the battery on and you want to go, if you simply pedal it, the motor will kick in. It's got a sensor in the pedal assembly, and it will sense how fast you're pedaling, and that will make the motor go. Get tired of pedaling and you want to go? Well, just twist the throttle. Once you twist the throttle, it disengages the pedal sensor here, and it goes as to how fast you are twisting the throttle. And like I said, it'll go up to about 15 miles an hour. So if you want to get you a little bit of exercise in, pedal. And you can still pedal and use the throttle too. So hey, get you some exercise in if you can. Now, the battery, when it comes time to recharge the battery, you can recharge it on the trike, or it's got this neat little hinge assembly on the seat. You just lift up on this little lever here. The seat will push forward, and it allows you to unlock the battery with the key. So that's a nice little security feature. And you can remove the battery and charge it however you'd like, and then put it back in, or just for security, remove the battery from the trike, okay? So you've got a nice little basket in the back, perfect for throwing a hound dog in, throwing the pup in, some groceries, whatever you want to haul around. Extra wheels in the back help keep it stable. This is a fun little trike to ride. If you're interested, check the link down below there. I'll show you where you can get a Viribus trike. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up. Click that subscribe. I want to thank each and every one of you for watching. Y'all take care now.